Hi everyone, today I've got a new tutorial to show you how to use more advanced materials in Omi so that you can get more original materials in your visuals. So you can use advanced materials on objects from the library or on the wall and floor of a scene, for example. So to start, I go to the library and I'm gonna type in podium. So here you can see I have a lot of white objects. So then there's a little color wheel like this. It means we can customize them and change their texture. So most white objects can be customized, shapes, podiums, etc. So here I select one, I drag and drop it into my scene. I'm gonna center the podium using the alignment tool in the top right, and I'm gonna resize it to the size I want with the scale tool. So now I go to my product gallery on the left and I add a product into my scene. So this face cream jar is gonna work well. I drag and drop it into the scene and align it the same way with the alignment tool on the right side here. Perfect, so I zoom in slightly in my scene just to get a closer look. Now I click on the podium and in the settings on the right, I can go to texture to change the texture of my podium. And here we have advanced materials, which lets me customize whatever material I want. Metal, plastic, wood, etc. So I'm gonna select satin for this. And when I click it, I'll be able to customize the color that was white before. Now I can change it. So you can also use the eyedropper tool to pick the blue from the ring. You can see we get a satin blue finish on my podium. Now I want to apply an advanced material to the ring behind my product. So I click it to select it and I apply the advanced material, powerful neon light. You can see the effect we get thanks to the preview here. So you can also use this neon effect on an object and place it out of frame to create a nice light reflection if you want. We showed that in the lighting tutorial if you want to go check that one out. And finally, you also have the option to add advanced materials to walls and floors. So here I want to add a texture to the shelf. So I'm going to click it and I select the shiny metal option. If I wanted to change the wall texture, I just have to click on it, go to the settings on the right side, advanced materials, and you can see I have access to all these different textures, and that's it. So now you know how to use advanced materials in your scenes.